Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And so what is my new theme that I'm choosing for wallpaper pictures or desktop background pictures in Windows 10 this time around? So I, of course, change from time to time. I like to have different pictures to choose from and to have a different feel. It always is kind of cool to have some different background pictures. It's kind of like a fresh coat of paint. It feels like it's brand new. So this is the new theme I am using. And to find this theme out, simply go to your settings. And in your settings, you will go into personalization, go into themes on the left side. So the theme that I am actually using right now is called Wildflowers Premium. So just click Get More Themes in the Microsoft Store. And in here, you will be in the themes. And if you go down just a little bit, you'll see Wildflowers Premium. This is what I've chosen. 18 pictures of different wallflower environments in your desktop. So this is kind of cool. You simply click the download or get button and then apply button. Once you have it, what you do is you go to your settings, double click on it to apply it. Make sure that you change a few little things. One of them is, first of all, background change from 1 minute to a longer period. And the reason why is because the 1 minute, sometimes while the picture changes, it can actually stutter your computer a little bit. If you're a gamer, this is a killer problem. Every minute you'll have a little stuttering while you're gaming because the background picture is changing. So you can change that to whatever length you want, from 1 minute to 1 day. I put 1 hour, which I find to be okay. And make sure that you apply also in the colors, the different colors you want. So of course you can personalize if you want to have light or dark theme, depending on what you want. But make sure that you automatically pick an accent color from my background. That means everything, including your taskbar and your different windows, will have a color that kind of matches what's in the background. And make sure that Start Taskbar and Action Center and title bars and Windows borders also are chosen. And you will have this brand new theme on your PC. And as you see here, the colors of the taskbar and of the menus go with the different pictures that you see here. So nice pictures, beautiful backgrounds, and kind of feels fresh. So check it out. Wallflowers Premium on Microsoft Store is the theme of choice for today. And I know that you guys ask me all the time, where do I get my pictures in the background? So that's why I actually am making this video. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.